Detroit, heard about Pittsburgh, PA. You wanna know that I can stand by the window, baby, somebody see you up there. I got some groceries, some peanut butter, should last a couple of days. Ain't got no speakers, I ain't got no headphones, I ain't got no records to play. Why go to college? Why stay in night school? Gonna be different this time. Can't write a letter, can't send a postcard. I won't be different this time. Traveling transit, got through the roadblock, we blended in with the crowd. We got computers, we're tapping phone lines. Oh, that ain't allowed. We dress like students, we dress like housewives, or in a suit and a tie. I've changed my hairstyle so many times now, I don't know what I look like saying, hey, you got me fever, you make me shiver, we make a pretty good team. Don't get exhausted, I'll do some driving, you wanna get you some sleep.